Hi Olf, so after doing this fix I had to disassemble to see the problem of the motor, because it worked but it got very hot and was not very stable, so I will show you. Additional thing, I did disassemble the arm of the motor. It's very complicated because this is breakable, so it was very hard to do it. I cut it with a knife. You can see here the line, and then you can pull it off, but it's very complicated and it doesn't seem like it is for opening at all. And then the motor is here. It is here, sorry. It is cut with 3 screws, and there is a cover on the screws, this plastic, a gray plastic. Here is the antenna and the LED. But what I want to show you is what happening to the motor. So I will try to do the maximum zoom that I can do. Okay, so I will try to show the problem here. You can see the gap here between this side, the magnet, and the coil. We have a gap here. Hope you can see it. I will take it a little down so the clock will not interfere. You can see a gap here, but if we go to the other side on the bottom and take it a little up, here on this side we don't have a gap. There is a friction between those areas when the motor get hit. Again, on this side we have a gap between the coil and the magnet, and on the other side we don't have it at all. So that's basically is the issue. What is basically happening is that the distance between the magnet and the fixed magnet, the magnet is I mean the coil, the magnetic coil, yeah, they are all these 3-phase coils. So the distance between these magnets that moving, the parts that moving, and the fixed magnet on one way or on one side of the motor it is touching the magnet, and on the other it's free, and it should be free at all sides with moving without any issue, and it is almost not moving because it is touching the surface, because what is happening is that the center was hit, so it is poof, like moving to one side, not as I am showing, but it is when it is moving, so it is not centerized, so it is doing a friction each time it is on the one side that is closer. So I don't think you will be able to fix it. It's like you need to, you know, to centerize everything back, and I don't think that this is possible. That's what I want to share, so thank you and bye.